Infyna Chic Intermittent Catheter. With an elegant feminine shape and an innovative flip-top cap, it's designed with you in mind to be discreet and ready to use right out of the package and small enough to easily fit in your handbag. Before you begin, make sure you have non-alcoholic wet wipes or unscented soap and water and your catheter handy. Wash your hands as advised by your healthcare practitioner. Next, choose a position to catheterize that is most comfortable for you. Spread the labia with 2 fingers of your non-dominant hand. If advised by your healthcare practitioner, cleanse around the area of the urethral opening and genitalia with your dominant hand as you were trained. Grasp the case and inspect the seal. If the seal is broken, do not use the catheter. Open the case by flipping up the cap with your dominant hand, which breaks the seal. Leave the product in the case. Hold the case with your non-dominant hand and remove the catheter from the case with your other hand, touching only the funnel. To insert the catheter, part the labia with 2 fingers of your non-dominant hand and gently insert the catheter with your dominant hand into your urethral opening until urine starts to flow. You can hold the catheter's drainage funnel into the toilet to empty or in a separate container to collect the urine. Allow your bladder to empty as you hold the catheter in place. Once urine flow has stopped, slowly withdraw the catheter. If urine flows again, pause for a few seconds until any additional urine stops flowing. This helps ensure that your bladder is empty. After you're sure the bladder is empty, remove the catheter completely. To dispose of the catheter, place it back inside the case and close the cap. The Infyna Chic catheter case does not leak liquid when reclosed. You may dispose in a waste bin immediately or later when it is more convenient. Do not flush down the toilet. Finish by washing your hands. Infyna Chic Intermittent Catheter. Please visit hollister.com for more information.